Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can directly change the font by using the themes in the website, and you can use this in any of the headings as well as paragraphs. So basically it's a text box, so you can use any of the text box basically. And in text box, the text box is common here, and in text box there are headings, paragraphs according to what you have added or what you want to add basically. So let's see how you can change it. So there are two options for changing the font. The one is to just click here and select any of the font, but the other option is just click over here and change the fonts. But here, as you can see, these are like already added in the themes, if you remember. So in the themes, we just add like a one, two, or maybe three fonts. So you cannot change more than like a two or three options. So you have limited options that you have saved on the headings or paragraphs in the theme manager for the fonts. So you can just change here and it will change the size or the color whichever is saved here. So you can then make any changes in size, color, or by any other way. So if you want again, if you want to change, then you can change like a for paragraph one, it has changed, and you can just customize the color and other things, other bunch of things given here. And this is like a all our things like a coming through, or these fonts and color and sizes are by default added to the theme editor. So when you click on it, so it by default changes things here. Okay, but if you want to change the font, just click from here and change it for the particular text. If you want to change it for this text or a particular one or two text boxes or like across the site. But if you want to change it for all the text boxes or the text available or added in the site, just go to theme editor and change it from here. Then it will change or make changes to, to all the text added here. But that also particularly, if you just remember where we added the heading 3 on which sections, then you can change it here and just click on the font or upload the font. As you can see that here, upload fonts, and then apply. And after while applying, you can also set the font or color, or you can just change after applying it, and you can change here by customizing it after that, after doing that, post doing it. But this is how you can do it. So it will just change to wherever there is a heading 3. But if you change it to all the headings and paragraphs, so it will change everywhere. So you can choose whatever you want, which option is better for you. But this thing is common that if you change here, it will make changes across the site wherever there is a heading 2 text, heading 3 text, heading 4, H5, like this. I hope you got whatever I told you.